Software Spring. Presents. How to calculate CAGR, if only % returns are given, in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to calculate the CAGR, or compound annual growth rate, if only the percentage returns are given. What is CAGR? CAGR gives the average growth rate of an investment over a specified number of years. CAGR formula is: ending value is the value of investment at the end of the investment period. Beginning value is the initial value of investment. N is the number of years of investment. The CAGR formula, if only percentage returns are given, instead of the actual returns, is: key point. 1 represents the growth factor. 1 plus decimal value of % return gives the number of times by which the investment has grown. For example, 1 plus 5.6 divided by 100 means the investment has grown by 1.056 times relative to the previous value. Okay, before I type the CAGR formula in this cell, I will pre-format it to display the CAGR with the % symbol. Alright, first, type the equal to symbol, and 2 opening parentheses. Type 1, and the plus symbol. Click this cell, type the division operator /, and type 100, to convert the percentage value to decimal value. Type a closing parenthesis, and type the multiplication operator, *. Repeat the procedure for the other 2 percentages, and type a closing parenthesis. Type the power operator, *. Type an opening parenthesis, type 1 in division operator, and type 3, because 3 is the investment time frame. Type the closing parenthesis, and type -1. The final formula is: press enter. Alright, this value gives the average growth rate of the investment in each year of the investment time frame. Quick review. CAGR gives average rate by which an investment has grown in each year of investment period. The formula to calculate CAGR, if only percentage returns are given, is: That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.